Hi and welcome to Konfirmi Tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a Konfirmi widget connected to a Caldera form in WordPress. So let's get started. Let's start by going to our dashboard. From there, press on Create New Widget. Next, select the appearance of your widget button. This button will appear at the bottom of your form. Now go to verification fields. You'll notice that first name, last name, phone number, and email are grayed out. Those are required fields. The other fields are optional. In verification options, we're going to go with the email and cell phone two-factor authentication method, but you can choose as many as you like. And now we're going to add our domain name into this section, being sure to copy in the HTTPS section of the domain name. We're going to assign 5 data checks to this widget, and in this case, it is a WordPress contact form, not a WooCommerce form, so we'll leave those set to default and press on Save. We have now created our widget. You can see it in the dashboard. It's the top one on the list, number 272 in our case. Going back to WordPress, we'll hit Caldera Forms and create a new form. In this form, we're going to put all of our required fields. We're going to name the form Registration in this case. After you've created the form, you'll see a button called Add Field. Drag that into the white area, and then we're going to add a single line text type field and call it First Name. Now, what's really important is that in each one of these, you put in the custom class name, which is in the documentation. In this case, Konfirmi-first-name. And then we'll go ahead and put in last name, email, and phone number. I'll go ahead and do that. Each one of them requiring its own custom class. So here we have last name. The custom class name for that is Konfirmi-last-name. Next, we're going to add email. Go ahead and drag another field in, hit Set Field, name it Email, and name the custom class Konfirmi-email. Next, we're going to add the phone number. Drag the field down, put in a single line text field, call it Phone. The custom class for this is Konfirmi-phone. Next, we're going to add our Konfirmi widget. So drag the field down, the add field down, and then hit Special. Click on Special and then Confirm Widget Set Field. Now we have to go and get the number of our widget, which is 261, and put it in the widget ID. Now name the widget whatever you want. Konfirmi widget, it's fine. This does not show up, the name of the widget doesn't show up on your website, but you do have to name it. It's really important. Next, we're going to add a button. And again, once you add the button, you're going to name it. All of these fields require names or they won't work. We're going to call this Submit, and then save the form. Very important to not forget to save the form. It's updated successfully. So now we're going to go to our Konfirmi plugin, and we're going to go ahead and tell this Konfirmi container 261 that we created what kind of integration we're going to use. We could use Contact 7 Forms or Caldera. We're going to choose Caldera Forms in this case, and it says it's been successfully added to the form, to the container. And now we're going to add a page called Registration in WordPress. And we're going to put the Caldera form in there. If you're not familiar with Caldera Forms, it's a plugin that you can get for free for WordPress. Just go to your plugins and do a search for Caldera. We're going to publish this and preview it. And you'll see the form show up. There it is. And if you go ahead and fill out the form, I'm going to use my presets here. If you try to submit the form, you'll notice it says, please verify. You can't submit the form until you've been verified. So you click on Are You, the Verify button, and you'll see it's been filled out already with your information. Now I'm going to look at my phone and look for the text message with the code. You have 5 attempts to put in this code correctly, and it is case sensitive. So your users will have 5 chances to get this code right. Hit Next. And when we hit that next button, it's going to go ahead and confirm us, and the window will close. Now the submit button will work. Hit the submit button, and the form has been successfully submitted. And there you have it, the Konfirmi widget in a Caldera form on WordPress. And if you go back to your dashboard, you'll be able to see all of the widgets that have been submitted. In this case, the email is in green, email or SMS code is in green, and you can see that that has grown just a little since last time. Thank you very much. This has been the Konfirmi tutorial on the widget in Caldera Forms.